All right, let's talk about making money, like $500 a day kind of money. No, this isn't one of those sell your kidney on the black market schemes. It's legit, it's creative, and you can do it from your couch in sweatpants. Or no pants, I don't judge. Today we're diving into how you can use Canva and ChatGPT to start making serious cash, even if you have zero design or writing skills. Yep, that's right. Your two new best friends are an AI and a graphic design tool, and together they're about to help you level up. Hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. All right, now let's get to the good stuff. The first way to make $500 a day with Canva and ChatGPT is by creating and selling digital products. Think ebooks, planners, social media templates, or even wedding invitations. Here's how it works. Use ChatGPT to generate content ideas. Write captions or outline your ebook. Then head over to Canva to make everything look like a professional designer spent hours on it. For example, you could create a 2025 goal-setting planner. With Canva, fill it with content ChatGPT helped you brainstorm, and sell it on Etsy for $10 a pop. Sell 50 copies in a day and boom, that's $500. Next up, let's talk about freelancing. Businesses are always looking for graphic design help, and Canva makes it ridiculously easy to create high-quality graphics. Use ChatGPT to help write captions, taglines, or even pitches for clients. Then use Canva to whip up social media posts, flyers, or presentations. Platforms like Fiverr or Upwork are goldmines for finding clients willing to pay $50 to $100 per design. Get 5 clients a day and you're hitting your $500 goal like a boss. Another money-making idea is selling pre-made social media templates. Every small business owner out there wants to look like they have their life together on Instagram. But most don't have the time or skills to create professional-looking posts. That's where you come in. Create a bundle of 20 to 30 Canva templates and sell them for $30 to $50. Use ChatGPT to help write engaging captions or hashtags to include with the templates. Sell 10 bundles in a day and congratulations. You just made $500. If you're more into teaching, why not create an online course? Use ChatGPT to outline the lessons in Canva to design course slides or promotional materials. You could teach something like how to create stunning social media graphics in Canva or the ultimate guide to AI content creation. Host the course on platforms like Teachable or Gumroad. Price it at $100 and you only need 5 students to hit your daily target. Finally, consider offering branding packages for small businesses. This is the high-ticket option, where you combine logo design, business cards, social media templates, and content ideas into one package. ChatGPT can help brainstorm slogans or brand voice guides, while Canva makes designing everything a breeze. Charge $1,000 per package and book one client every 2 days. That's $500 a day on average. So there you have it. 5 ways to make $500 a day with Canva and ChatGPT. Whether you're into creating digital products, freelancing, or launching your own course, these tools make it easier than ever to turn your skills into income. And the best part? You don't need fancy equipment or a degree in design to get started. All you need is a laptop, an internet connection, and a willingness to put in the work. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments which idea you're excited to try. And don't stop here. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more money-making ideas. Let's make your financial goals a reality. See you in the next one.